Welcome guys to a new video, and in this video we are going to try to upgrade our CPU. As you can see, the current setup that we have is a motherboard from Zebronics, and it was G41 based motherboard. It has two DDR2 RAM slots and LGA 775 processor slot, and which is run by this 450 watt power supply, and SSD and couple of hard drives for memory, SSD for main OS. So we are going to see what is the current system's performance as well as its specs and how it performs, what is the booting time, and then we will compare the system to this Code 2 Duo E8400, and we are going to install that into the system, and then we'll see how the system actually performs. So currently the system is running Windows 11. The Windows 11 is actually official version. We somehow managed to boot the system with this poor little setup. It runs quite fast actually, but not enough processing power. So with this processor Core 2 Duo, we have the 3 gigahertz clock speed and 6 MB cache. So quite the upgrade from the E5200, I guess, Pentium E5200, which is this one has already. So we will try to upgrade this. Let's see first how the booting time actually goes. So in here we have set up the stopwatch, and we will as I press the power button, and we will try to monitor what is the total booting time. Right now you can see the whole system is currently off, and we will press, and at the same time we will see how long the booting process actually takes. So I have pressed, you can see power is on, stopwatch is on, and you can see the Zebronics logo, and right by the monitor it is already 14 seconds, 15, and it is taking right now. I can see the number lock, and it is quite on. Yes, it is on because I can enter the password, and so we can log in. So it took us around 26 or something, like it is currently right now, so 28 I guess. So it's around 20-30 seconds, you can say, and we are in the system, and yes, everything actually works. So the system is already boot up. So let's see what is the specs right now. So let's run the CPU Z. So in the system that you can see, we are using Pentium E5200 and LG 775 socket, and there you can see the total clock currently 2 point, so we don't need upgrade right now. So we are currently running 2.49 megahertz something, and this is the whole operation, the FSP and bus speed, and main motherboard G41, total 3 gigabyte, and the DRAM frequency is quite low. We know we will bottleneck the system, and we have two memory sticks. There you can see one of the stick, and we have another stick. I think it was this one. Yes, it is also DDR. This one is 2 GB. So let's run a bench, and let's see what it scores. So let's run the bench first. So we are currently stressing the CPU, and we will see how the processor actually performs. It will take some time, and then we will bench the CPU. So we have actually tested, and the CPU single thread score is 139.5, and the processor multi-thread is 275.6. So that is the ratio that you can see, 1.98. So let's try to install this one and let's see what is the score. So in this current setup we have installed the processor into the system, and we are going to boot the system, and let's see how fast the system actually boots. Here we have the clock system, and we will reset, and once we press the button we will restart and see. So we have pressed, you can see the RGB light on the motherboard, you can see its logo, and the clock is actually ticking. There you can see 12, 14, and first time boot. I think it will take the same amount of time. No, it was 25. I think it was. So we are currently benching the system. We are running the benchmark, and you can see it has already improved. Single thread score is, you can see, but the multi-thread processing is a bit improved. You can see 327. In previous we have seen the 279 or something, so it was quite improvement, and the ratio is 1.95 this time. In previous we have seen, I think, 1.8 something. So there you can see it has recognized the Core 2 Duo E8400 3 GHz processor. So barely fast, but improved compared to the previous build. So that is the Pentium Core 2 Duo E8400 in LGA 775 socket with DDR2 RAM 3 GB and G41 motherboard.